Marriage is not a game. It is not to be taken lightly. It is not to be thrown away lightly. It is not to be thought of lightly. You must be faithful. You must support each other in all difficulties. You must improve on your weak points for your partner. You must improve on your weak points. You must defend your partner. You must respect their beliefs. You must share what you have with them. And this promise must be upheld all the time. And this is for people who are not married, who are partners. If you abide by these principles, then your relationship will be fruitful.